You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Depends on what you want on it.
What you running here, man?
I got 4 Sundown SAV 218s on a Def Bonce 8K.
Yes, sir.
And a 6-cylinder.
What I call it.
You want the high note?
Man, let's get it, man.
Roll your window up.
All right. This thing got a cab in it?
It does. A
Okay.
BTR stage.
Yeah. I appreciate it, man. Where can they find you on social media, man?
On TikTok at greenc_11.
Y'all be sure to give him a follow. Appreciate it, bro.
Appreciate
it was
you,
good
man.
seeing you, man.
You have a good day.
You too, man.
got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.